If you're an expert on Google or the individual every other person goes to when they're searching for something new or unknown, and they realize you can find it quicker than they can, this video is for you. Here you'll come across various ways that pay you as much as $3,250 only for doing research, and a rundown of work-from-home industries where online research skills are essential. So the first thing you might wonder is, what are some of the companies that are constantly looking for online researchers? Well, we have got the answer for you. Starting off with number 1, Ask Wonder, a company wherein their clients submit questions that they need input. As a Wonder scientist, you look on the web to track down the ideal assets for addressing their inquiries and eventually utilize them to give detailed answers. Here you get complete work flexibility and are compensated by utilizing PayPal 2 times month to month. Wonder also asserts that their dynamic researchers make more than $3,000 each month. Number 2, 10EQS. 10EQS is one of those companies that is always looking for people on the go. Whether it's on a freelance, part-time, or full-time basis, employment in this giant is an option most of the time. This organization sometimes has openings for online researchers. They prefer individuals who have business degrees or business experience. There are additionally other remote positions available consistently. Number 3, RWS. Coming from a British origin, RWS is a company that provides people with IP, or intellectual property, to transcribe and translate, filing and search services, translation and localization for different languages, and develops translation among various softwares. With RWS, experienced researchers who exhibit reliable, quality execution in their research activities can acquire the Study Expert badge and may meet all requirements for different activities with a fixed charge, fixed expense plus reward, and hourly expense plans. Number 4, Hobby Jam. You might have seen this posted online. It can be great for additional money for researching something about superficial topics. One can work on their timetable and the installments are paid through PayPal. Number 5, First Quarter Finance. In the past 2 years, work from home has become more of a lifestyle, and in the case of First Quarter Finance, there is in some cases a research analysis position opened with this organization that is 100% remote. Ideal for individuals who like to utilize Excel programming and are great at the academic level examination. You can work however many hours every week as you need, the minimum number being 10 hours. Number 6, Experts123. Experts123 is a site that permits you to respond to questions or write master articles for cash. Assuming that you have a specific ability and can research well, you can respond to questions and contribute valuable articles whenever it might suit you. You can join to turn into a specialist contributor to get an income share. This implies that you'll get a part of what the site makes when you write an article. Number 7, Just Answer. Just Answer is another web page that will permit you to get compensated to research the web and answer questions. When you join, you get to pick your aptitude, and there are more than 175 categories to browse, including clinical, law, pets, plumbing, music, finance, etc. You get compensated through PayPal on the first day of each month. Every reference can get you a $50 Amazon gift voucher. And here is a pro tip for you. The most effective method to find more companies looking for online researchers. Many organizations don't have a continuous requirement for online researchers, yet do infrequently have these kinds of openings. If you want to look for these positions alone, so you don't miss them when they go live, we suggest you go through platforms like Indeed and FlexJobs. Another choice is Upwork, a well-known stage for consultants where organizations post many kinds of positions or projects. On Indeed, ensure that you put research in the hunt section involving the word remote for your area to secure the locally released positions. FlexJobs has a whole segment for research occupations, generally comprising genuine companies. There is a $14.95 per month expense to get to FlexJobs postings. Yet it can be said that it is worth the effort, thinking that there are no scams posted and numerous trustworthy organizations decide to list their leads solely on FlexJobs. It's additionally conceivable to set your record upon FlexJobs so it doesn't auto-charge you under account settings after you've signed in, to try it out for 1 month. Have you heard of research surveys? Here are a few research study options to help you earn extra cash. Number 1. Respondent. Respondent offers one of the most lucrative research studies on the web. Contingent upon your experience, you'll get somewhere close to $100 to $700 each hour. However, the tasks Respondent takes up require a lot of work to finish, so you should contribute a chance to fit the bill for them. In any case, for the high incentives, everything will work out just fine. They frequently search for specific individuals to partake in, so it can take tolerance to receive a project. Number 2. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie offers various types of studies you can participate in. You can, for instance, track down internet-based overviews here, and that is a quick and simple method for earning, as you can quite often find available choices. Yet, you can sometimes be called for online meetings or online center gatherings. It would help if you consider taking part, as they compensate pretty much. You can get your profit out in real money through PayPal or pick between various gift vouchers. Number 3. Ping Pong. Ping Pong is well versed in assisting organizations with getting customer input about their applications and sites to develop them further. You can participate in web-based interviews to give opinions about various sites and applications for some giant companies. You can typically earn $20 to $100 each hour. You will get compensated in actual money 7 days after an interview is completed through TransferWise into your financial balance or using PayPal. Other than that, you can also tap into the work-from-home industries, where your job involves research, smart work, and above all, time management. Here are some of the options. Number 1. Freelance writing. Research is a large portion of the gig for most independent essayists. If you're a decent researcher and you are additionally a proper author, this is without a doubt an industry you should explore. A few well-known organizations that are continuously searching for independent authors are Textbroker, BKA Content, and The Hoth. Number 2. Transcription. Since transcription is listening to sound files and typing what you hear, it doesn't appear to be like web-based research would factor in, yet it does. Typographers frequently need to listen to sounds where individuals discuss subjects they don't know anything about. And online research is vital to guarantee that records are composed accurately. If you're great at this and likewise a quick typist with a decent ear, transcribing may be an exciting venture. A few well-known organizations that are continuously searching for typographers are Center Forward and Transcribe Me. Number 3. Search engine evaluators. People who genuinely do web engine evaluations should be entirely open to utilizing Google and Web Canny overall. They are a decent web-based specialist loan itself to this kind of work. A few well-known organizations are Appen, TellUs, and Karma Hub. Number 4. Online experts. Various destinations pay specialists in some businesses to respond to inquiries for individuals who need replies. Furthermore, even though you may be a specialist in something, you may have to do research to address the queries. You should not forget that even though almost all of these websites allow you to work whenever you wish to, they are also often just good for a little extra earning here and there and might not be a primary source of income. A few well-known companies regularly recruiting such specialists are Just Answer, Lucidity, and Study Pool. Number 5. Court research. A few authentic organizations pay analysts to go out and visit court horses in or close to their neighborhoods to chase down reports for research purposes. Even though this work is not all done from your home, and a large part of the exploration probably won't be led on the web, it tends to be a genuine adaptable method for working autonomously and bringing in cash. A few well-known firms now and again searching for court analysts are IT Boss Research and JBS Court Research Services. Also, the best part of these is that you can cash out to PayPal regardless of the amount you have acquired, even if it's only a penny, and they pay in a split second. As may be obvious, there are a lot of choices to take part in paid research from one side of the planet to the other without leaving your home. However, the main thing it demands is some consistency. Therefore, you need to figure out which option or method works out best for you, and that is all. You will indeed begin earning.